Hey guys, so as you see the go-karts behind me, we didn't get a lot of work done on it because there was a lot of rain, and so today is a real nice day, so we're going to be working real hard to finish some stuff on it. But for this video, last weekend I got my Edsel out, so this video is going to be showing some stuff on my Edsel. So I hope you guys enjoy. as you saw, I got the Edsel out yesterday, and there's some stuff I want to do, like interior wise. As you see, the headliner, there's a stain here, this is damaged, and you know, so, and my dome light is damaged as well. The lens is totally broken out, and this is kind of pitted. So last week I ordered a new set, so I'm going to install it, and I just want to bring you guys along. So here's the new one that's going to go here. The old one, as you can see, there's a bit of a difference. And then the lens, well, as you see, mine is just all cracked and broken. So here's a new one, and as you see, I have none. I could touch the bulb, and you know, so I'm gonna get the Phillips. And there we have it. A nice new dome light. As you see, I got the car out right in time for my brother's 4th grade farewell, and because of this coronavirus, we all had to just drive around and wave bye to his teachers. So that's what we're doing here in this clip. And I am working on the go-kart still. It's just that since the weather's hasn't been really cooperative, I had to wait for nice days. So I will get a video out on that soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I hope you enjoyed your cruise down Delashment Road.